Adema ni ba yake ne ne babu no ne krai bo kwando kinege ugba deka nusafo obo ayi na wa fi ihe echo de mandibo na kandibo gesi wetoke ha na chiola kwa na mekumaka Evangelist Elliot Ugochukwu Uko, founder Igbo Youth Movement, Obokoyabo Secretary, Eastern Consultative Assembly (ECA), nakwa also to Dalkonke Igbo Leaders of Thought (ILT). Evangelist Biko Kenara Ndibo.
Brother down, the bar down.
Odema nambido mprobochi onelole 14th nke September 2018 ndị APOB kpọrọ okwu isokwa kpọọ okwu ka anọrụ n'ụlọ kedu ka o si ga ụfọdụ siri na agara na abịa na anaghị ewe pụtara Ọnịsha
gịnwa kedu ka esi fụbụ osewa ndị be anyị comply
ọ dabara adaba
ndị be anyị
comply
ebe gịnwa bụ
maka na anyị jikwara fụkwa gosikwa ndị ụfọdụ ebe anọ mana Enugu ebe a
ibe mee few days ago 14th of September Galaga 2018 bụ a tsunami earthquake ebe mbasa bụ na chukwukele Enugu n'ụwa destroy completely asị ndị ilo na asị na IPOB abụrụ force gavana weekend blah blah Odigo destroyed forever. The veil Odigo removed. Now, about the percentage of compliance, anyone on the ground, Makanani Bugambi. Abia State needed it paralyzed except for Obuaya capital city. Ebendi Keke, Ndugu, Nabron Nebani, Apollo Obuaya because capital to Nabali. Go and bring on the Morphona Kekenaba. Kavan Filema, who won the Nagan, Obuaya movement. Aba, the totally lockdown. Anambra, the lockdown. Anambra need so Noka. If I'm not going to Noka. The government is now better at working all. So I came with movement in Noka. Because February, the truth happened. When I originated the lockdown, now, Imo, the lockdown, and what Enugu, the lockdown, when I movement in Enugu, I feel mail. But I go some mafia mail or what mail. So you look here from the money. Can't have my team, but I haven't even machine. Total lockdown. Everybody comply. But anyway, movement in the way Bonaga. Now, Eboye, Ofiva, the capital city. Abakaliki and we're movement.
Rivers, Rivers
lockdown, lockdown. But why put my outside, but in the total shutdown. Even the BBC, 75% to 80%. The IPOB over snow over 80%. Now, if I blow tsunami, blow earthquake. 14th September, clearly, IPOB. No for the church of his town. Don't the buy for Fananga. Never for family. Even the buy for Fananga, but never for family. And they move. Fakia, a picture amp, with Google. And I'm a favor. Fakia, Bogor. And then boys, if I take Courier, Farta later. Get what if family, Bumaka. Get even the buy, you was sympathize with them, with them. I'll share with you. Makanam at the center of the vortex. For more than 31 years, 1987, even now, they made seminar for Igbo youths all over. People's Club Hall, so later, one of the traders allowance. In the 80s and 90s, one of the Igbo Ocean, Teju Ocean, Alabama Market, Buchu Batu Chairman, and a seminar for Igbo traders, maybe a more Igbo leaders, MC Kajuju. Arbiko Kafu, Biosophico, Bituki, Dubusikan,
Professor.
I invite all of them to be address Igbo youths and Igbo traders. And maybe anywhere. I'll be going to Buja, Bakaliki, I just have to be Baka Park. I'm going to go to Moya, then Baka Baraka. I believe in the Ivan Sometimes 2-3 times a year, men my conference, my convention. Men want to go Nika Lake for their presidential. Men are any president. Hotel in the average man. It's the one I go men at Nika Lake, will go wow at Nika Lake for the presidential. If we can do, see the earlier Nigeria. So the constructor Nigeria. Now, Constitution, do good thing in Nigeria. But we're in Nigeria, not the army. Say, oh, can the buy the Constitution again? Can construct Nigeria back to true physical federalism, regional autonomy, and resource control. Can we peace and equity? Let every region develop at their place. Or we can none of 1 years. All that while and now do whatever you go out, but I go my one minute as a man. The woman. Hotel, Lagos, goes over to Dubai, and also contract from Nasa Namboyala, and you go to structure the war, like a model. My dear Bonnie Elliot, I'm only fair structure again. And do I have Johnny was over by number year to year. Oh, food and office and Jerry in about now, no more that. What you which would have been British avatar, the war basic officer. My classmate, which you also have a British avatar. Seven now, if I'm not fair, I suppose in Diana. I saw the 6 million construction or 10 million. More upon this restructuring, not possible. My classmate. That day, my wife would want to start office. For that 1 year, since now, I'm going to restructure in Nigeria. What on the way? Or look at the card no was as Nave Crossing and Nigeria. Nave Crossing, it's a referendum. Come up from Nigeria, I have a friend. Do we need a government restructuring? We don't committee on restructuring. APC by committee on restructuring. Not that committee on restructuring. Not that that's for set up committee on restructuring. No, you don't want to set up committee on restructuring. Can't understand that. They say it. Or look at the why my man. According to IPOB, IPOB is the one information, and the elders in the body, or the government, whatever you refer to. Or look at the what's happened about that exactly a year ago. Restructuring in that committee, my committee, not that governors forum on restructuring. I have the committee report to fuel, let's go wherever, so avoid the problem. So, back to your question, if the bank you put one card as well now. Even I was you were for Nigeria for decades, can and to say Nigeria. This is not for war. Do not fire when one of the womb was, but this is okay. So you have a referendum. So you have a referendum. I will never this structure. Since I have a referendum, it's a more fiber.
This whole war on the politician. It's now this in the war.
The war this number one Nigeria. This is not like 5%. First, they want to buy. Fuck is a lot of money in the Security Council. They don't buy a move. They want to buy 5%. I go back.
Ubwa ewetara Erika na ncha Erika oyisi si na ndida South no oyisi ndị DSS oyisi ala abatakwa wopukwa ya ugbu a onye na-afụ maka ego na Nigeria wee tie akwụkwọ alụkwaghịm
ewelugwa nwanyị oyogbu dozie onwe ojugbu nke etiezi magician ọ sị na ya dị 17.5 years graduate from university kind of young man.
Nọrọ n'ụlọ a sit at home a na-eme kedu ihe ga-abụ uru
ya ka eji enweta kedogharị obodo nwere dị ọzọ ụwa niile ma Gandhi bere South Africa Martin Luther King lead na America Steve Biko lead na South Africa Nelson Mandela ibe a na-akpụ ya bụ civil disobedience. And what do you begin in the forest and go on? And what if you got telling enough? Nataka, shop, maybe, what's your shop? Can no. Can was there? Fakaya was early next year before election. Yes. Gava by 3 days ago, you defeat the deal over here. Can they put deal over? Then I say, I have your people minority, I have your people just troublemakers, I have your people, I was a week. na IPOB adịghị weekend na ndị a niile na-egwu egwu fanchas olugburu bed on Friday gara aga.
Mana ka a na-ekwu ya ndị a na-asị na ha enweghị ha bụ nso nso a ka ndị otu IPOB jere na UN jee dee akwụkwọ mkpesa ya petition.
Enwere details nke afọ.
Uche
abụrụ memba IPOB. Onye IPOB akwala nke afọ. Afọ mere news mana enwere details ya. Ana m akọ enwere details.
Ya bụ na ihe nji kwute nke a mana na ha che na IPOB nọ eburu Nnamdi Kanu.
IPOB awụọ.
Anyị wetara
ka ngwa ife mee Friday gara aga dị egwu. Ndị na-achị achị na anya wee budo fa akpọwa ndị nta akwụkwọ na fon sifa edekwa ndị fon media aids fa je kewe ndị nta akwụkwọ ego ka ede na ọ dị pasali obe na pasa ọrụ ife anyị mmanụ kefa mee anyị velo ime maka ndị nta akwụkwọ dị vafụ it means na ndị na-achị achị ebe a nọ na ikuku na the masses are turning against them. That's what. But the truth of the matter, the National for the federal on Friday, farmer over 80% compliance. Farmer and the partial compliance are reported on the news before no work. Came to farmer. They are about intelligence and DSS. Farmer on ground, farmer over 80% compliance. State director, they go report to Inisiana. Farmer now, it's over 80%. Then remember who want those because they want the war. The Kamunai, about intelligence community, CIA, West Africa, for the base and Abidjan. For which I informants, but I do go by either. Far, one to clear, far over 85% compliance. Other intelligence agencies, the Mossad, my KGB, my MI6, my British intelligence, my French intelligence, my German intelligence, functioning in there on ground there, farmer, no over 80% compliance. Farmer never had not a partial compliance. Only politicians, leaders, will work in the to how will informants everywhere, pay informants, for our Google. Some intelligence, that guy is too bad. Some intelligence, when was in the body, well, but the regular informant they place your body is like. You are about intelligence gathering. They have to be there on a Friday, like an IPOB paralyzed this kind. So if I am there, Fama Kunandi, there, we go get one of what the video where if I have security votes, no billions, nobody can match them naira for naira. So for Lagos and the Tacos of the 8th, but if I did away from reality. They are this intelligence, but when they blog was say I publish the pictures. Imagine, get the picture pictures of empty streets, empty roads. It is in all majors of that. Who want those who supposed to say because now, if they never for Buffalo,
ụfọdụ ọkụkwa dịka ụfọdụ nta ahụ gosikwara n'Ọnịsha na agaghị aga n'ọtụ ma chọtụ n'ọrụ ka emesiziri
ọ bụrụ na ndị na-enwere intervention ka blọk ọ dị truth egwu aka dị pepa niile aka agba na anwụ afụ na ebe niile na ụkpụrụ ndị gaa n'ụzọ ọkwa ndị na-achị achị were ego nye ndị ugwu na ya kenye gbalva fuel on Thursday nyebe ego sifa early morning Friday gaba na agbagharị ụmụ agbagharị na ndị mmadụ ga-afụ na keke na-aga mebi ndị mmadụ ebidopụta nwayọ but the truth of the matter to them with compliance over 80%. What does that tell us? That tells us that ndị be anyị with IPOB. What again does that tell us? That tells us that the traditional political leaders of an Igbo are being retired by IPOB. That's the meaning. And the government has never get also before election. Then the next year they will paralyze the election. They will alter the question.
Makana kemgbe Nnamdi Kanu ana afọzi ya ndị a na-ekwu na-agba restructuring ụfọdụ n'ime ewe ndị si na ọ bụrụ na ya restructure na Nigeria na agaghị eme election ụdị ndị ahụ adị ekuzi okwu ugbu a
because na facha niile so na ndị kwere nkwa na agbagburu Nnamdi Kanu na baga edefu anya and they did that ịnụrụ ka ha jụrụ ajụ kere Nnamdi Kanu ndị na-esa ndị si anyị ịnụrụ ka ha sị kere Nnamdi Kanu na pịara mabịa nọ Sibuya like the father who looked that way. But in that Buddhist they've now made a mistake because now the Ghana IPOB was the only critical mass everywhere. In fact, all over Nigeria. And they've turned against those leaders. Malukwa, I IPOB is not going to at home. Friday, like Malukwa, power leaders, the family here. Malukwa, there's a youth who open up. The family. Malukwa, Mandi, so that no man, Malukwa, still no man. Malukwa, propose no good, so no good, still no man.
Ihe na-atụ mmadụ na ugbu ndị mmadụ si na ya gị hapụta ị na-asị ya ndị uwe ojii na-aba na-asị na ị ga-akarịrị na okwuti
the sympathy ndị mmadụ nwere for IPOB and the one move is so powerful that one day kept my first cousin bụ onye isi ndị na-azụ afịa traders with abụ onye Abia steeti na Aba gọọmenti wetara ofe ego kafara mee comply fadal gọọmenti ego kwụnye ụra akaụntụ union comply my first cousin also that this union of only see also the final ego paying account union we don't have a meeting back one watcher so that father comply I believe they was shut down. Why would the common man, the masses, disobey the government, state government, and obey a group as they prescribe, as top terrorist group? Something is wrong.
Ihe na-agba mmadụ anya mmiri na-ewu iwu ugbu a bụ na kemgbe nna m dị ka ndị Igbo anya dapụta jụ ajụ otu aka na m gara ga-esi na
even a basic February even a basic time the masses was within that those leaders Buluze leaders without followers Buluze general without troops a general troops here general a general troops here but a general the so-called political leaders generals without troops, leaders without followers. Because the masses voted down the Ghana and IPOB. And Fagosili in a very unmistakable manner last Friday. You can't argue with it. Malakwa and the IPOB, they were in Ghana. Malakwa and the oppose the Polo Union, the Union, the Tavego, say, I won't have still have I mean, Una complied. Still they complied. Because now, on your border, this is the IPOB. If IPOB, the IPOB with the result of the brazen humiliation and I get the buy for 48 years. They want to follow again, they can follow. I know. Can you guess here, man? Earning a jump from my Igbo. Over 28, I say on a passport, the cut-off market could be 30. Only who were 15 in the admission, the cut-off mark state them there. I buy a pass as soon as go do your work, get it from the government. For 48 years, I am there. And then when I did that, your press was not for Nigeria. They were genuine census. For men inflate their own figure. Very painful. Who want to get polio? From village to village, who else are they? State is now, who else are 5.8 million population. And what any rural community I get this? Enter polio to about 30,000 children. State is now a population of 5.8 million. I don't say that state is not Igbo. Polio, about 5 years old. After that, and about 120,000 children. Because state is not population of 5.8 million. Because we have 30,000 children out of polio. I believe that Igbo state that's 92% million. It was 120,000 children who do less than 5 years. But look what I did, I don't know why, you know. What that means when the population figure is fake. Go to Nigeria, they fire. Can you guys say what you book is qualified? I mean, you all, and you do. Oh my God, to get that. Who am I now to go? They're back for 31 years. So they talk to Nigeria. Pass it, do your worst. Like I mean, who will not? Can you begin? Do your worst. As the guy do your worst. Someone can say, okay, all right, or the one. And that's all say Nigeria. So see there, referendum. I'm all Mudicatron in Nigeria. Everyone in me, who did by Scotland. About family. About family. Wafara Bridget. There's a lot of good when I back. The last school about Wafa from seven. What are you? Farashi market, 30th of May and Board 2016. And then I'm born inside, it's a dead Montali church, inside the Muru. But we say was a bullet holder, as we know a Musefa. Wafa is a bullet for Jenny Buban Barracks. Can you do your worst? Can you forget me? And I'm a fan.
Can you have a one?
When Nigeria, Stafaka Chamber, where Babu Waka buy when they ever come. Now I'm offer, now I'm the gift, now I'm responsible. There, leave our leaders because we're from one. But one of them, I get the fire. Now, and I'm the people because of that problem.
A quarrel.
Father, can you only keep it? You're bad. Then you're not making any dams. While you have Urunia, a Frovaya, a Broma, do you back a Bichon?
What? I get him.
And the bike leaders need it. Bichon. Even a revolution name mistaken people that's name, but they've lost respect of the youth. They've lost respect of the masses. As confirmed by obedience, Mrs. Nya, Nandikado's IPOB last Friday. Our leaders are talking. Hato. How much are you going to rise up against them? Farmers on their own. Farmers on the River Jordan. The Nandikado's IPOB with the masses on one side of River Jordan. The Igbo leaders needed Mandela Church, Mandi Umbrella Body, Mandi Umbrella, Farandi and Nigeria, who are on the other side of River Jordan. What about the masses of the Igbo was within the IPOB. This is how leader of the Igbo. How is it? Where was it? Leaders without followers. Why? You know why is this? Hubris, pride, destroy them.
Hona so ego, Hona choka ya.
Neighbor, not to go, but the father of the thing. If over 48 years, the father go away. I bet one of them across a banana brandy. They decided to make they decided the elephant of an Igbo. And I don't know, they have a brandy, the boy they got Shanambra. Hey, yes, ex-governor, ex-minister, ex-senator, ex-this, ex-that, or seven political leadership. Five for across over. Five with a bar, I'm going to brand and now call the fate of an Igbo. So they believe they are going forever. Five for like a way, critical mass arise, not possible. When the critical mass arose under the leadership of the government, they are living in denial. So the physical mass they move like whirlwind to sweep them away. Faka hubris, bride, Faka from the whirlwind to sweep them, sweep all of them beside the toilet. Faka. So that whirlwind in Adi Boulevard, Faka believe will not find cross over with Bradley. Fana made them fair when they divide their need.
They can.
They can. Faithful. More very to go to if I'm able to one chance. So everything else over now is for them, it's for them to reach out to the IPOB. Your family begin to work with them. It's postcard offer and on target terrorist group. I don't government, can you reconstruct Nigeria? One of this military constitution, they will now create a new constitution. If only they ask us to work with synergy with leaders of Southwest, Delta, and Middle Belt to begin to demand for a new constitution. Can one new constitution that they affirm at a referendum? Any referendum to affirm from Nigeria. Referendum, mutual Nigeria referendum. Igbo leaders must champion it. Igbo leaders, they lose good respect of the youth, they lose good respect of the masses. Nandikado's IPOB confirmed it last Friday. CIA in West Africa did the report. From on ground, they know what happened. MI5, MI6, they know what happened. All the intelligence, they're checking them out. Even men, how they went around, how legend, how everywhere was shut down in obedience to IPOB. We give them up. Tsunami, earthquake, up. And one of the other get dark over there, they got covered the truth of ground. Intelligence community for the truth of ground.
So, what do you want? Killing the money the
How the leaders are were the problem. If I even something for so long when I walk along, you believe what I think about you may was for very many years.
Only na Biafra
I'm not fighting for Biafra.
I got a structure Nigeria. Makana.
If they don't return Nigeria to true fiscal federalism of the 1960 constitution, Nigeria will die. Nigeria will pay. The pride which you who brings whichever far from them will go tsunami Nabia, earthquake Nabia, they will go seismic, volcanic Nabia. It will consume them, consume all of us. Oh my God, you never get we never get we when you're not also. Okay, also, but also. Now the Ghana's IPO people, critical mass. For the end of it, women in there. For the game, so you can't cross them. I didn't want to hear them. These are even that they were there because they're not the who's not the they were whatever. They made a huge mistake last year. Or walk. The result of the whole process, told us against leaders. Who said we did the Ghana's IPOB? Let me see what as confirmed last Friday. I believe me. The volunteer. How who died last year? Let it be. IPOB is the largest movement in the world. And one of the group where power like IPOB. The elders in the IPOB will make a mistake. They are committing suicide. They was apologized to IPOB, they proscribed it, attacked the terrorist group, apologized to them. And one of the problem of the elders was they have a mistake. So pride have a possible to correct the mistake. Pride have a to correct the mistake. They made a mistake. They had a told you good job. That was it. I believe what I do good invisible. You know, before they are follows a bit in fact, now when I go brand in a soccer, one of the time. When I say, what about you going? What I like it, for I am a better good people. This, that. So I believe one of them two letters of people. So what was a group, less people, and you appointed them. Maybe start with time or the other. But then, Fanasi, and the mass movement about people, and what for? Not for what of when you meet them, and you for whatever ex-minister. Not for leaders people.
For I bet and you, and I can't check one.
There will work out. There we wait. Never found who work out will consume them. And my neighbor leaders warning, let them go and apologize to IPOB. Or tag IPOB as a terrorist group, they proscribe IPOB and sit down and talk with them. There is no way out. Media days of the Gamoya.
Chineke Gozegi. Agadarima. Oyana Bobo Evangelist Elliot Uko Buchukuko of our founder Igbo Youth Movement. IYM of Secretary Eastern Consultative Assembly ECA Deputy Secretary Igbo Leaders of Thought ILT. Is Ogadarima. Chineke Gozegi.